According to the 2002 National Electrical Code, Section 358.30a, there are two primary methods for securely fastening electrical metallic tubing, also known as EMT. Firstly, every 3 meters, which is approximately 10 feet. EMT must be securely fastened at regular intervals not exceeding 3 meters. This can be achieved using clamps, straps, or other approved fastening methods. Secondly, within 900 millimeters, which is approximately 3 feet, of terminations. In addition to the regular fastening intervals, EMT must also be securely fastened within 900 millimeters of any outlet box, junction box, device box, cabinet, conduit body, or other tubing termination. This helps prevent excessive movement or strain on the EMT and the electrical connections at these points. The National Electrical Code does not specify specific materials or methods for fastening EMT. However, some common fastening methods include strut clamps. These are metal clamps that attach EMT to support structures such as beams, joists, or studs. Another method involves band straps. These are steel or plastic bands that wrap around EMT and are tightened with a screwdriver or wrench. Conduit hangers are another option. These are devices that support EMT from above or below, such as U-bolts, settle clamps, or beam clamps. Finally, staples can be used. These are small metal staples that are hammered into studs or joists to hold EMT in place. When fastening EMT, it is important to consider the following factors. The weight of the EMT. Where heavier EMT may require more secure fastening methods. The size of the conduit. Where a larger conduit may require more frequent fastening or stronger fastening methods. Also consider the installation environment. EMT installed in corrosive or wet areas may require special fastening methods to prevent rust or deterioration. By following the National Electrical Code requirements and using appropriate fastening methods, you can ensure that EMT is securely installed and provides reliable electrical service.